Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. I got two of the additional EZVIZ outdoor cameras, which is support 1080p, and I bought two of the additional indoor small camera. So I got this out of Kohl's because at first I was checking on eBay, and before eBay, the EZVIZ, they sell it on eBay as well. Somehow they didn't sell this model again. I'm not sure if it's sold out or what's going on. But luckily I purchased this because after I check out and everything, and then a week later I went back and checked on eBay, they jumped back to regular price right now. So this was a promotional price or on sale price. But unfortunately, if you purchase more than $100, you're supposed to get like a $20 cold cash. So I check out as a guest. I might have to go back to Kohl's and then do a return and then repurchase again to my Kohl's account. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. So there's supposed to be 4 cameras in here, so yep. So I did unbox last time on this one already. It's a high resolution indoor Wi-Fi camera. Got the full HD 1080p. And this one is the model C1C. So you could download the app from Google Play Store or your App Store. But the problem with this one is it only supports Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz. This one, the microphone, it does not pick up as loud as the one that you could pan and tilt. So yeah, I got two of this. The reason I like the EZVIZ because you could insert a micro SD card. You don't need to depend on the cloud, so that's why I don't want to pay additional subscription fee. So this one is $19.99 each when it's on sale. And then this is $39.99, and I can mount this outdoor. This one is the C3N outdoor smart Wi-Fi camera. 2 megapixel 1080p. So this one has a built-in spotlight and a professional optical lens. Your night vision is now lit up in color with a human shape detection, which is AI. You can receive the precise motion alert you have always wanted. And this one has a 360-degree swivel and base for easy installation, both on the wall or on the ceiling. And this one could zoom up to 8 times. So you could have human detection, 1080p, 2.4 gigahertz dual external antenna, support micro SD, storage up to 256 gigabyte. And I like this one because this one has a color night vision, and this one has a H.265 video technology and IP67. And if you want, you can pay for the cloud storage. And here are the spec. Anyway, let's go ahead and now open this up. So this one is just a sleeve. So I come with a thank you card and then a quick start guide. And then here's the drill template. There's a 3 screw right there, the hole. And then there's a gap right here for your wire to go through it. So you'll be a flush mount on your wall or on your ceiling. Like that. So you got the spotlight right there and then infrared. And then right here you got the reset button right here. Pretty tactile. And then you need to unscrew those screws and then pop this open to insert your micro SD card. So this one allows you to rotate 90 degree or 360 degree. So yeah, in case you need to mount this on the wall and then angle it like that. Oh, this is cool. And then here the connection. There's a RJ45 in case you want to connect this directly to the Ethernet port for more stability. And then right here is for the DC output, the input. Let's see what's the voltage. So the output to the camera is 12 volt, 1.0 amp. And then this AC plug range from 100 volt to 240 volt and 50 or 60 hertz. And then maximum is 3 amp. The charger is made in China. And then they also come with this connection. It's rubberized, so the water doesn't get in there. And then also come with 3 screws and 3 at the plastic anchor. Oh, okay, so that's locked into its place. They probably put this rubber silicone in there. Maybe on this side. I believe this one's for that. So it is C on both sides with those rubberized O-ring. And then this one too. So the water cannot get in there and damage it. Well, it's kind of weird because this one is black color and then this side is white. They should just make it all white color. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.